set your learning goal. The first thing you need to do as a beginner data analyst is to set your learning goal, okay? Like, how do you want to be learning this particular skill? Do you want to learn this daily or weekly, or maybe 2 times in a week or 2 times in a day? So you have to set your learning goal and how many hours you want to be learning daily, or if you want to be learning like 2 times in a day, so you learn like 1 hour or 2 hours the first time in the morning and you learn for 2 hours again in the night. So you have to set the goal for yourself. That all depends on how your schedules for the day is, okay? So you have to set your learning goal, and also you have to determine if you want to learn with a course or with a book, because it's not good as a beginner for you to be learning different things from different places, okay? Get a course or get a book and focus on it and finish it, okay? You have to set your goal if you want to be learning with a book or with a course or with a YouTube video, which I don't really recommend, okay? And again, if you want to be learning with a mentor or with a partner or by yourself on your own, it is absolutely fine. So, but you have to know what you want to be learning towards. If you want to be learning by yourself or if you want to be learning with a partner, you have to know that as well. So it sets the goal for how you want to be learning this particular skill. The second thing you need to do as a beginner data analyst is to practice as you learn. You don't just learn these skills and think you've known them, okay? You don't know these skills if you don't practice them. You have to learn a particular skill and also practice them. If you just learn without practice, you're just doing yourself. So you need to learn Excel and practice as you are learning. So you're going to open your Excel course in one tab in your computer and open your Excel app in another tab in your computer. So as you're learning the course, you are also doing the practice by the side at the same time as well. That is how you're going to learn and master this particular skill. If you're just learning, then come back and do the practice, you're not going to get it again, okay? So you open the course tab in one side and you open your Excel tab in one side and learn. Same with SQL. You open SQL and also open the SQL app and be practicing as you are learning. You open Power BI course and you also open Power BI desktop by your side and learn. You open Tableau course and you also open Tableau desktop as well by the side and practice as you are learning. After completing a particular course in one skill, you know, we have different skills to learn. We have the Excel, Power BI, SQL. So some people learn Tableau or Power BI. So we have Excel, Power BI, or Tableau. Then we have SQL and Python. So as you finish Excel, you need to do a project instantly. Don't wait till you finish other skills like SQL. If you finish Excel, do a project instantly. That will make it stick to your head. Like you won't forget again forever. Okay. So as you finish your SQL as well, do a project. As you finish Power BI, do a project. If you finish Tableau, do a project. Like a build your own project from another data set entirely. Go to Kaggle or all those websites that you can get data sets easily and free as well, and practice all these skills that you are learning, because that is the most important thing. And that is not the most important thing. The most important thing, and it is the last thing out of the three things, is you need to learn consistently. This is non-negotiable. If you can't do this, don't even start at all. You have to learn consistently. If you want to master any skill, you don't learn today and wait till next week before you learn again, or learn today and wait till next month before you learn again. No, you don't learn skills like this. You learn today, you learn tomorrow, you learn the next day, you learn the next day, you learn the next day. That is how you master this skill, because what you do repeatedly will stick to your head. In fact, you even become part of you. Like we content creators now, because we've been doing this for a very long time now, it is already part of us. So if you repeat something, it's going to be like part of you permanently. So it needs to be consistent with your learning, and that is the most important thing in this learning journey. And I wish you good luck, and don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you won't see my next video. Subscribe and see me again in my next video.